So we're starting off this vlog. This is gonna be during Vlogmas. So what's up, you guys? I'm Ariel, aka Fashion Ari. Welcome to my channel. I don't know if this is gonna be the intro, but we are headed out. I'm so excited. It's the holiday season. We are heading to Joann's. We're gonna get fabric for our holiday projects and also a little bit more of decor for Christmas, of course, and other projects that I have in mind. Let's head out. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Here's a quick outfit of the day. This top and accessories are from Amazon. My cargos are from Pretty Little Thing, and I altered them in this video if you haven't seen that already. And my sandals are very old. I don't remember where I got them. So what's so funny about this fabric clip right here, I wasn't interested in any of this material. There was actually a couple people in this aisle and I felt so awkward with my camera, so I just started looking at random stuff not to feel weird. The fabric that I actually chose will be revealed in an upcoming project. I can't wait for you guys to see that. Please subscribe to stay tuned. Hubby sent over this recipe to me and I thought it was the perfect thing to make for this cool fall weather. So I'm remaking this chicken noodle soup here, and you guys, it was literally so good. Okay, I switched to white. It's so funny because it's not even long enough in the back. So, anyways, that's where my hair is at. But half of this is gonna be gone when I cut it. I'm gonna have to do a trim. Like at least that's coming off. I don't even care. Actually, I'm I think can I buy something? I want to spend some money on you. And I was like, no. He was like, wait, I want to buy something. You're so pretty. I want to spend some money on you. Like, can I buy something? So I was like, well, you can go buy some at Sephora. Then he was like, I was going to rush him. What? Girl, they got me looking at every single corner. And they don't pop my deal, okay? I said, I don't think so. He was like, I want to buy something because you're pretty. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. Ain't clean. I mean, I almost said, let's go inside Sephora. I was really thinking, oh. Oh my God. They said it was gonna be very very potent, but wow, I just got a whiff of it now. Oh my God, this burns, y'all. It burns. Oh my goodness. Burns my eyes, not my hair. And you're not supposed to put it on the scalp. You guys, my eyes, I was literally crying the entire time. I watched so many videos on this and I don't remember people saying how bad it was. I know they said it's like very potent, but oh my gosh, I saw other people in their bathrooms, but I have a window in my bathroom, but it doesn't open, it's just a glass. So I had to finish. I got close to the top and I just couldn't take it. I had to finish my hair by our balcony, open the door, put the fan on, and literally ventilate. This better be worth it. I feel like other people that I seen, their hair was more saturated, but it said not to saturate it. and I feel like their hair was flat. My hair is so coarse, maybe because it's my first one. I decided to make a dress for Thanksgiving, and this was supposed to be a separate video, a tutorial on how to make this dress in one day. But girl, it was a complete fail, and I threw it into this vlog. Not all sewing projects are wins, some of them are fails, and that's okay. Hey you guys, this is the dress. The reason I'm panicking because today is Thanksgiving, and oh my god, my hands might be ashy. Hold on. The reason I'm panicking, you guys, because today is Thanksgiving, and that's what this dress was supposed to be for our family photos, and I wanted to do like a Nara Smith type video. Anyways, yeah, it's not giving. The side seam is literally on the front. Like, can you see it? Like, it's not on the side because I cut the front too small. Just suck it in, girl. Cut these straps because I was going to put them like this. It is. I'm gonna enjoy my family. I hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving, and I'll show you our food and stuff, and we're gonna finish decorating the Christmas tree, and that would be it. We're gonna enjoy our time. I like my hair, you guys. I feel like, you know, it's not straight how I want it, but I still love it, you know? Anyways, let's get into it. I finished the dress. So yeah, this is not my best work. There's a lot of mistakes. I didn't even finish the inseams because I know that I'm gonna take this apart and do something else with it, because I think this material is so pretty and I don't want it to go to waste, but I think it's cute enough for pictures. I could have definitely taken some cute Thanksgiving photos with my family, but of course today is the Friday, and you know, I'm just not getting it done. So yeah, it's still cute. I'm gonna have some pics up on the gram. But yeah, to make this out of a dress I already had, out of nothing really, I think this is pretty cute. I have to invest in some shapewear because your girl is finally gaining that adult weight that I've always wanted, but you know, it's like, it's not going to my ass like I want. So yeah. So you guys, I'm going to close the video out here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a lot going on, but different things in here that I hope you enjoy. I want to shout out my growing YouTube family. I love it here. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, and I hope you're learning and enjoying my videos. Until next time, you guys. Bye.